As women, we often have a negative relationship with money. Past experiences and societal messages can shape our perspective, leaving us feeling like money controls us. But it's important to remember that we have the power to change our relationship with money. One way to do this is by setting clear financial goals. This could mean paying off debt, saving for a down payment on a house, or building an emergency fund. Having specific goals can help us keep motivated and on track. Creating a budget is another important step in taking control of our finances. It allows us to see where our money is going, identify areas where we can cut back, and prioritise our spending. This can help us feel more in control of our finances and reach our financial goals. If you're struggling to manage your finances, don't be afraid to seek professional help. Our community can provide guidance and support as you work to improve your relationship with money. We can help you identify areas where you might be able to save money or invest more effectively. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom. Join our community today and let us help you take the necessary steps towards improving your relationship with money.